Hello everyone, welcome to today's lecture video. In this video, we are going to see what are adverbs. Okay, adverbs, as I told you in the previous lecture video, that adverb is also a kind of modifier. Okay, adverbs. What is an adverb? An adverb describes a verb or an adjective or another adverb. Okay, many adverbs they end in ly. Most of the times adverb they end in ly. Take for example smartly, carefully, smoothly, rarely, deadly. These are some of the examples. So there are different types of adverbs. They are adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of manner, and degree of adverb. Let's go and check them one by one. First is adverb of place. Adverb of place indicates or it indicates the place or direction of the action in the sentence, or it always answers the question. Adverb of place, they always answer the question where an action is performed. Okay, take for example, I went through the jungle. Here, went is the verb. What is an adverb? Adverb describes a verb. It describes how. How. Went is the verb. How does the adverb describe went? Went where? Okay, it adds an additional information to went. Went where? Went through the jungle. Okay, so this is how it adds or modifies the verb went. So it is called an adverb of place. He plays in the field. Here place is the verb, in the field is the adverb. Some of the adverbial places or some of the cue words for adverbial place or across, over, under, in and out, through, background, yesterday, today, last year. Okay, these are, sorry, uh, across, over, under, in and out, back, in the field, in that field, that side, this side. Okay, these are some of the example for adverb of place. Then adverb of time or frequency. It indicates the time or the frequency of the action in the sentence. It always answers the question when did the action performed or how often an action is performed. Take for example some of the cue words for adverb of time or always, never, often, eventually, finally, frequently, before, after, Sunday, Monday, 10 o'clock, 12 p.m. Okay, these are examples for, these are some of the cue words of adverb of time. I went to the school a little late yesterday. Here, went is the adverb. Okay, it adds, sorry, went is the verb. It adds a little late yesterday, adds an additional information about went. I went to school. Okay, went, when did you go? When did the action take place? Okay, a little late yesterday. So it describes went. So it is called adverb of time. Then he always gets a good result. He gets a good result. Here gets is a verb. Here always tells the frequency of time of the action gets. So it is adverb of time. Now, adverb of degree. Here, adverb of degree. What is this adverb of degree? At what degree an action is performed? Okay. At what level? Okay. On what importance an action is performed? Take for example, it always answers the question how much of the action is performed. She forgot about her anniversary. Here, forgot is the verb. Okay. How much, at what degree she forgot? She completely forgot about her anniversary. As it tells the degree of the action, it is called adverb of degree of adverb. I read the newspaper thoroughly. Okay. I read the newspaper thoroughly. It answers the question how much is the action performed, at what degree the action is performed. So it is called adverb of degree. Next one, adverb of manner. What is this adverb of manner? It always answers the question in what manner or in what approach or in what process the action took place. It always answers the question how much is the action, how is the action performed, in what manner the action is performed. Okay, some of the cue words for this is beautifully, equally, thankfully, gratefully, handily, quickly, slowly, okay, hotly. Let's divide the phrases equally. Here, what is the verb? Divide is the verb. So how the action took place? It took place equally. How the action is performed equally. So it equally describes how, in what manner the action is performed. So it is called adverb of manner. Please handle the camera carefully. Handle carefully. In what manner the camera should be handled? Carefully. So it is called adverb of manner. We have something called conjunctive adverb. What is this conjunctive adverb? It acts as a connector or conjunction in a sentence. It connects a phrase or an independent class. It provides contrast ideas and shows contrast relationship. It shows the contrast relationship between the ideas. Take for example, that's why it is called adverbs, conjunctive adverbs. Take for example, it rained last night. Okay, it rained last night. A complete meaning, an independent class. Nonetheless, the final match has not been cancelled. It shows the relationship between the contrast idea. It rained last night. If it rains, then you must cancel the program. No, you didn't cancel the program because nonetheless it connects the first sentence with the next sentence. The final match has not been cancelled. That's why it is called conjunctive adverb. The next one is last season there was a great drought, consequently we could not grow crops. Okay, last season there was a great drought. As a result, what you did not do, what you cannot do, what was the action? As a result, what was the action? As a result, we could not grow the crops. Okay. Next one, sentence adverb. What is the sentence adverb? A sentence adverb always starts the sentence or modifies the whole sentence or mood of the sentence. Take for example, hopefully we will win the match. So you are not sure. Okay. From a personal perspective, you say that hopefully we will win the match. But if you say we will win the match, you are 100% say sure. But if you say, when you say hopefully we will win the match, you believe that you will win the match. Okay, so there is a differentiation between 100% and when you add the word hopefully, you change the mood of the sentence. Apparently the sky is getting clouded. Certainly I did not think of coming here. Or 100% sure in this sentence. So let's go and check out the exercises for adverb. The ice cream is too the ice cream is dash chill to eat. Okay, too chill to eat. Okay, when you say it in a negative meaning, okay, you have to go for too. The coffee is too chill to drink. When you say something is not in an edible way, when something is not in a positive way, you prefer to. The ice cream is chill enough to eat. When you talk about positive thing, okay, when you say something is in an edible state, you say the ice cream is chill enough to eat. Okay, she visits my home dash frequently. Okay, frequency is noun, frequent is again a noun. Frequently is adverb. I told you all adverbs, they usually end with ly. Okay. I am tired. I am dash tired. Okay. I am deadly tired. I am died. Okay. Here deadly is not an adverb. I told you. Yes, of course I told you most of the preposition adverb they end with ly, but not this one. This is an adjective. I am dead tired. Here dead is the adverb because it describes the adjective tired. Okay, so that is the end of the session. If you have any doubt regarding this adverbs, please ask me. I'll help you. Thank you for watching the lecture video. Thank you.